Welcome guys. Today we are going to learn web designing implementation. Before going to web designing implementation, we need to know some basic concepts about the web. So today's session is based on the basic concepts about the web development. This is today's session, that is introduction to the web development. In today's sessions we are learning about the web development concepts, basic web concepts. Today's internet is all contains the web, that is World Wide Web, we can say. World Wide Web having some specific history, it having some basic concepts. Before understanding the architecture about the World Wide Web, we need to know some basic concepts about the web. As we are going to develop any web applications or any websites, you know these concepts. In it, today we are going to learn these much topics, that is in introduction to today's sessions we are going to learn introduction about the web development, that is how the web is developed. It is to be developed by small applications to the bigger application or largest application, we can say, which covers entire globe or entire world. Then we are going to see basic concepts about the web development, that is what is web, what is web page, what is database, what is static page, what is dynamic page, what is website, what is the URL, that means uniform resource locator, what is URI. These are the basic web development concepts. Now next part we are going to see is that publishing your websites. Whenever we have developed or we have implemented any websites, then you must publish your websites onto the World Wide Web. Then people can access or people can see your websites in globally. That is the part contains publishing your website. Now the next concept is that understanding web architecture. Web having some specific architecture. So in these concepts we are understanding that architecture, that is how the web is to be architectured, that is how the communication is going on from our system, that is remote system, to the web server. In this we are understanding the architecture of web. Now there are two types of scriptings into the web, that is client-side scripting and server-side scripting. In client-side scripting we are scripting to the client side, and we are making the changes, or we can making the output in another way, that is to be using, or that is to be created by using this client-side scripting. Client-side scripting is used to making the client side, to making the changes at client side. And another concept is that server side scripting. We can do the scripting at client side and we can do the modification at server side, that is to be known as server side scripting. The client side scripting and server side scripting are basically used to interact the data to user friendly. Server side scripting we can use by using some server side scripting language like PHP and Perl, Python, XML, and in client-side scripting by using is to be done by using some client-side scripting language like jQuery, that is Java query, or JavaScript, we can say. Now we are learning the next concept, that is summary of web development concepts. In to the web development concepts, as we are going to learn, so in it we are just summarize all those web development concepts. That's what we have learned in web development concepts. Now next concepts we are going to learn is that we are setting the environment of our own system for web designing, and conclusion about the session. So in today's sessions we are going to learn these many concepts